Here we are with Camden. This is a dining collection where we have some beautiful upholstered dining chairs, or you can use the upholstered seat with wood back. We have an 80-inch table, which takes two breadboard 14-inch leaves. So a breadboard leaf fits at the end of the table between the seam here, and it's 14 inches. It unlocks underneath, and the board goes between here and there and expands. So you could put in 14 inches or you can put in 28 inches on the expansion. Okay, along with that, that'll give us 108 inches with both leaves in. Two breadboard 14-inch leaves, opens to 108, seats 10 people. So very generous seating space. Along with this, we also have a great looking buffet. Here again, comes out, felt line tops. Felt line tops. And over here, you have your silverware tray, which is removable if necessary, if you don't want to use it. Coming down here, we have the sliding doors, and the name Domino Finish incorporates the black and white together, as you have the sliding door there, and you also have your AC outlets on the back. So a beautiful piece of furniture, very functional, very generous as far as seating is concerned. Dining collection. We also have the metal mirror that goes over the top. That's a round mirror. That's 40 inches round, 2 inches deep, coming off the wall.
Yeah.
So 40 round, beveled, beautiful.